ZANU-PF National Chairperson and the Defense Minister Oppah Muchinguri has hit back at what she described as coordinated online attacks targeting her family, accusing internal party rivals and social media cyberbullies of waging a smear campaign against her children for supporting President Emerson Mnangagwa to continue to stay in power. Sambena mashoko budanyo kwa chinzi Oppah Muchinguri in danger. Subscribe or like on the bell. Continue on mobile kwa mchinzi. Speaking in an interview with Newsday, Muchinguri Kashiri said the family had become a target of political opponents following her remarks at a recent National Prayer Day in Mutare, where she publicly endorsed Mnangagwa as the country's best foot forward. In quotes, "I've never been in the habit of responding to trivial things on social media," Muchinguri Kashiri said. "We have important things to do, including developing our country and preparing for the annual conference in Mutare. But on this one, let me respond." The outspoken ZANU-PF chairperson said her children's privacy was being violated by those seeking to silence their political stance. In quotes, "Why involve our children in ZANU-PF matters? I think those people are high on drugs," she affirmed. "Social media is being used as a weapon by our enemies. They should attack the mother, not the daughter. They wanted to silence me, but they will not succeed. My daughter is well groomed. She knows what is right and wrong." Muchinguri Kashiri said the attacks had reached disturbing levels, prompting her to warn other ministers to protect their families from similar targeting. "I have since told some of my fellow ministers that they should be on guard because people have turned evil out there, targeting our children. They can be dragged, so we have said they should limit going out," she said. Dismissing her critics as lazy people, she added, "President Mnangagwa has said he does not like lazy people, and these are the people we are seeing on social media, lazy and high on drugs." Her remarks come at a time when ZANU-PF is deeply divided over Mnangagwa's succession and a growing internal rebellion against attempts to extend his rule beyond the constitutional two-term limit. Sources within the party say Muchinguri Kashiri has become a lightning rod in the factional battles, with her perceived closeness to Mnangagwa making her a target of the camp-aligned to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. The Chiwenga faction, reportedly anchored by Mnangagwa's ED28 campaign, is said to be working to discredit key figures who openly beg the president's extended stay in power. Online smear campaigns and social media attacks have become a common tactic in the ruling party's shadow war, often aimed at family members of senior politicians to inflict reputational damage. The timing of the attack is also telling. ZANU-PF is set to hold its annual conference in Mutare next week, amid fears that factional rivalries could spill into open confrontation. Thomasho wariwo panguva ino chinzi aiwa Oppah Muchinguri panguva ino ari in danger. Panguva ino chionekwa ZANU-PF yakatarisana aiwa this coming conference. Now tiona family yake ichiatakiwa nemashoko akatoenda pasocial media. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chaonekwa kunzi Muchinguri kwa close nemutungamiri wenyika chaita kuti include crossfire. Kuna comment section medu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.